What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable or disable keyboard sounds on your iPhone. Some people enjoy hearing the clicking sound of the keyboard as it provides auditory feedback of each tap, while others find it distracting or prefer a silent typing experience, especially in quieter environments. To adjust the keyboard sound settings on your iPhone, start by opening the Settings app. It's the gear icon typically located on your home screen. Once you've opened Settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This section controls all the sound settings on your iPhone, from ringtones to system alerts. Inside Sound and Haptics, look for an option labeled Keyboard Feedback. Tap on it to access the settings specific to your keyboard's auditory and haptic feedback. Here, you'll find two options: Sound and Haptics. To turn off the keyboard sounds, simply toggle the switch next to Sound to the off position. This action will mute the sound you hear when typing, but leave haptic feedback, the slight vibration you feel when typing, active, providing a silent yet tactile typing experience. It's worth noting that turning off the keyboard sound will only affect the sound feedback from typing, not the functionality or other aspects of using your iPhone's keyboard. And if ever you decide you missed the sound feedback or need it turned on in different circumstances, you can easily re-enable it by following the same steps and toggling the switch back to the on position. That's all there's to it. Now you know how to customize the keyboard feedback on your iPhone to suit your preferences for sound and haptics. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.